with me and mine, okay? Hey babes, it's me. Hope the lighting is okay. I did get a comment about doing a video of like day count, and I have my equity scheduling site. I prefer to go through my equity scheduling site because I can get a deposit and they do not charge a lot of fees and take a lot of my money. I have realized that StyleSeek does take a good chunk of change, okay? Like, use StyleSeek as a search engine for people to find me. I text them and redirect them to my site, so therefore they book on my site. So that's why I still have my little StyleSeek up. But I have this lady that is trying to book for December. I do not have my December open. How I open up my books. So currently, can y'all see good? So I go to availability, my global scheduling. Can y'all see? I hope y'all can see my global scheduling limits, and it allows you to like the minimum hours a person has to book before. Say it's like 9:54 right now, like they can only book at 11:54. They can't book anything before that because I just think 2 hours is a good enough time if I'm doing something to get back home and all of that jazz. And you can set your maximum days in advance they can book. So right now I have it at 40, which I believe. This is my site. If y'all never seen my site, this is my little fall site situation. I made this via Canva. But if y'all want to know how I did this, let me know. I can make a video about it. We're gonna do 50 days instead, so she can get that, so she can book that December 1st appointment. Today a girl did message me on StyleSeek because a lot of people have been finding me on StyleSeek. So if y'all not on StyleSeek, y'all might want to get on there because that's where the girls go and search. I had a girl coming in today. I previously only had one client that booked in advance for the day, and she had a 5 p.m. 5:30, so she's getting a soft blend with lashes. So Erin wanted a 5, but I couldn't do that because I have the 5:30. So she said she'll take the 4:30s. Anyways, she paid her full 130. I do need to text her and send her the confirmation text. Send her the confirmation text. I have a pre-typed out confirmation text that I just copy and paste to all the girls the day of their appointment, typically the morning of their appointment. I make sure that everything is in this text. There should be no confusion. My equity, like, you read the policy before you even get to the bottom to book. Once you book, it asks you, have you read the policy? You click yes. Do you agree with this policy? You click yes again. You go through all of these steps to say, yes, girl. And I know it's repetitive, but like, I gotta look out for me and mine, okay? I've been sitting in one space too long. Y'all getting bored with me, huh? Can't show y'all my outfit of the day. I am going to look at apartments because Haley is getting up out of here. Yeah, it's giving high rise. It's giving high rise for cheaper. And we love that. Y'all, do y'all see how this boob situation is? I literally do not like this. Like, I literally do not like this over pour. And then they look silly like that. They look like I got them done like that, huh? And then they make just like, anyways, shut up. Us together, but I cut it because I wanted to give an aesthetic. I'm looking really top heavy today, but it's okay. These are from Target. They were only 20 bucks. They were on sale. Straight leg may be my thing because I'm not a skinny jean girl. See, look, Cinema Secrets is getting a little out of hand. $45 for that bottle and it be gone in 2 seconds. I don't think so. I don't think so. So I'm back to the old school way. It's the soap, pink soap. It's a laundry detergent soap and it gets the stuff out, okay? I have to leave the house in an hour because I'm hungry. One, I probably need a matcha. I said I'm gonna stick to a budget. I'm gonna go grocery shopping tomorrow because I go out. Like, I like going out. I like going out and eating. I don't like trying to make food and shit. Because, yeah, hopefully I don't get nothing on this white shirt. And yeah, I just kind of like do this. Yeah. Oh, Shelby. this? What? If you don't follow Beat by Shelbs, go follow her. She literally was one of my inspirations to be like, become a makeup artist, because I saw this bitch out living life at my age. Like, I think we went to middle school together, and I think she may be a year or two older than me, but this bitch was 19, 20, 21, out in the world, and I was in college with the bullshit. And I was like, ain't no way, and I ended up doing it too. But yeah, bitch, what? Follow me on Instagram if y'all don't, because my stories be eating. But and this ain't even a half of it. This just a little quick put together story, but my stories be cute. I be giving y'all life on my stories. Period. Period. Yeah. She's booked and busy. She booked and busy. Hey, she booked and busy. Hey, she booked and busy. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah. Yeah. If y'all thought I ain't do nothing. Yeah, if y'all thought y'all wouldn't get to the bag, you're sadly mistaken. So this is some time later. I'm going to meet my mom. But I went to Giant Leap Coffee because I just needed a coffee. Like, what's my day without coffee? Out and about. Going to a new property. The washer and dryer. Yeah, I'm tight in here. Yeah, she's tight. Yeah, she's more spacious.
Yeah, even like for your towels, Haley, you're gonna have to find a space to put those
In this cabinet or something.
So yeah.
Where what? The ceiling's high in here though. It's a nice, decent sized closet too. They should have cut this closet and put. It's a no for me. It's not getting more. Now I know these condominium people, they got their lives together for sure. Oh. They been waiting before we even got done talking. Talk about some bye. But yeah, it's ghetto at the River Oaks. I don't like that.
He started waving before.
Yeah, before we even got done talking, he's waving. We basically got over here. We're about to stop at Morphe because I need some brushes like I told y'all. And we're probably gonna go to Sephora too because why not? We already here. But I really just need some brushes. So, see y'all in Morphe. This is the brush set that I always get. They got everything you need. These are the Morphe lip liners in Trendset. I got 4 of those. Okay, hey y'all, I'm gonna give y'all a quick 2-second tour of what I got from Sephora. So, One Size Beauty, can't fucking see myself. One Size Beauty, I got the translucent powder and the setting spray. I got this Liss Beauty, it's a black owned brand, and the girl who worked at Sephora told me that this is a go-to for her. I got a mini Laura Mercier deep translucent powder, and then I got a Sephora lip stain in Skin Deep. So these are my little pickups, and these just came in for Jewel on Coat sponges. I told y'all about these, and my little disposable lippies I always run out of. So yeah, and I also got these Ebony Woods from Zara. My girl Kyra Aminique put me on. And yeah, I'll give y'all this damn Morphe haul later because I got clients. So yeah, bye.